on my way.
Ready?
Yeah.
After I drove an M4, I was like, I can't get a C63 anymore. That's what changed me, to be honest. My friend let me drive an M4.
I've been in the fucking F80 M3. It's like a Seif in Kevin's car, but I don't know. This definitely feels a little bit different. Like I like it.
It's the NA that makes it feel a lot better. Like, because in their cars, because it's turboed, it just comes right the fuck on.
No doubt about that.
It's like I had to fight the fucking car and I hate doing that.
Yeah, dude, that's fucking sketch.
Like, look, this is like...
I like the interior a lot. The gray interior is sick.
It's different.
Everybody talks shit on gray interior, and I like it. I have gray interior on my truck.
It's very
nice.
different. I have not seen this color before.
I love it. It's sick.
I like it because it's different. I think they're running.
Oh, yeah. This is what it's all about, Dylan.
That might be a Seif.
Oh, fuck. A Seif's out? Is that Christian?
I believe so.
Oh, I can't do the windows.
Yeah, it's Christian. She'll open the door and be like, I can't roll my windows down.
I can't roll the windows down. Well, you remember me, bro? Yeah. That boy.
Oh shit, yo, it is.
Yeah, bro. Really out here, dog. I sold it to buy the truck that's sitting at the Wawa.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Are you going to that fucking meet tomorrow night or whatever?
Send me the details on it on Instagram and I'll go.
Pretzel meat?
Yeah, the pretzel meet.
I'll be there. Alright, bro.
Yo, Chris. Where do you live?
What?
You want to cruise up there tomorrow?
What? Cruise up to Jacksonville?
Yeah, because I live right off the
It
county.
depends. I'm supposed to be with my girlfriend tomorrow. I don't know. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Sick content.
Oh, this car's fast.
M4?
Yeah, he's downpipes tune, I believe stage 2. I don't know. What the fuck is happening? Yo, the GTR.
Holy shit.
The Liberty Walk John's out. I'm about to pull into the left lane. Like, the fuck?
GTR.
Oh, it's Kenny. Oh, who's rerunning? M5 came by me like I was not moving.
Yeah, dude, that car's quick.
You saw that, right?
I did.
Okay.
That was ridiculous. You seen that shit, Dylan?
Yeah. Like I'm wide open throttle. I'm doing like 140, and all of a sudden, whoo. Don't go into another curb, Asif. I should not be in the spot I'm in, but I am.
What, with these people?
Yeah, like I should not be up front.
Following
like,
Asif?
I'm in an E90 M3, E92 M3, and I'm one of the slowest cars here.
That's alright, man. I mean, you're still out here. Why does he want to run you?
I'm gonna get gas. I think he thinks I'm I think he thinks I'm the 335.
Oh, maybe he wants to get behind the seat. Let him go. That's a fucking not the greatest move, but whatever. On their part. Is that the guy you think he was trying to race?
Holy fuck.
Oh my god.
They're running from a dig?
This is so wild. Why? That was not a dig.
Oh, see you later, Kenny.
Oh shit. Sweet.
Oh, someone's turbos.
You think so?
And his turbo. I see all that smoke.
Yeah.
He's possibly.
How is that an insult?
Go back to your stuff.
What's going on, guys? There's gonna be more races in Puerto Rico. Definitely can count on that. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm sorry for all these like intro, outro videos being lumped into one and recorded like a week later, 2 weeks later. And I also have to apologize for everybody who's featured in the video and hasn't been able to see any of the footage because I'm really lazy and I don't like editing. So if you want to be an editor on the channel, inquire, because I can definitely give you just tons of videos to edit because I have a lot. But that kind of brings me to my next thing. I'm trying to get an upload schedule worked out. I know that it's not really concrete as of right now, but I'm trying to get things figured out with like a dedicated way to upload everything. I was uploading stuff off my phone and that didn't work too well. But I figured some stuff out and I think you guys will like the content that's coming out. So hopefully this video will come out when it's supposed to, and if it does, hope everybody has a great Easter and a great Passover. Subscribe if you're not subscribed and like the video. Thanks, guys.